This is the survey page. This message will only show up if they have already taken the survey, and it's gonna point them to the results page. And this is the survey that they have. It's a radio type, so they select, and then each of this has a value which we are computing, and they need to finish this first before they can proceed to another survey. Hi, Danica here. How are you? I hope you've been doing well. So I just want to give you an update on the next video that I am working on. And also I received your requests or comments in some of my past videos that you'd like to see step-by-step process on the backend, because usually what I share are how it's built and settings, and I understand that some of you may not be that familiar with JetEngine yet, so I'm gonna show you how this is exactly built. So this website is using BuddyBoss with LearnDash, but for the survey we're not using the LearnDash native quiz and questions functionality. That's because they have a very specific results page that they want to have, and they have a very specific formula as well. So when we started this task, this was meant to be built inside LearnDash, but again, because of its customization, we have recommended to build this under JetEngine's Form Builder with, of course, JetEngine's listing and along with this query builder. So I just want to give you a walkthrough or a demonstration, a preview for how it looks before I start building the videos one by one. So this is gonna be another series, and we're gonna focus on how you could take advantage JetEngine's Form Builder for your membership sites survey or any survey maybe that you want to run. This is also taking advantage on Dynamic Visibility, and I'm also using another plugin, Dynamic OOO, for one of the features here. I'm gonna show you how that is exactly set up. So this is the survey page, and this message, this section, will only show up. So I'm just gonna zoom in a bit. Will only show up if they have already taken the survey. So that's only gonna show up if they've taken the survey, and it's gonna point them to the results page, which I'm gonna show you in a sec. And this is the survey that they have. It's a radio type, so they select, and then each of this has a value which we are computing, and they need to finish this first before they can proceed to another survey. So I'm just gonna try to answer the first page in here, and as you can see, it can go back with the answer and then continue. So there's more pages here, and for privacy purpose, I'm not gonna go through all of that. In my tutorials, we're gonna start from scratch and create our own survey. Okay, so next, this is the results page where that button is pointing through. Again, this section will only show once they have completed or have taken the survey, because in this website, they want to allow a retake. So that's why we leave the survey form in here as well. So the way it looks here on the results page for that specific program is there's a section for your scores, and with this you can download the scores via PDF, and you can also see that there's some average going on per category. So the way it's working in here is, as you can see, there are different headlines, and these are per category based. And they want to take the average, and they also want to take the overall average. You can also see that we have some different buttons, and because this is also using Memberium, so we're also taking advantage on the tag base. So what it's doing is, if certain members has a specific tag in active campaign, Memberium will help recognize that and will only show the specific button download. Next, you can see the results of the taken survey with the date. And you can also see that we have another subgroup. So not just the entire like this one, but we are also subgrouping. So we are also taking average on those specific subgroup. And as you can see, I have taken this twice now, and some message that they have. Now to download this, I have this button, and it will download a PDF, and then with the results in it. So you can see this section is cut, but it does the purpose. Maybe what I can do is, if I print this, I can just customize it so that it fits in all page. So that's gonna be the topic of this series. We're gonna focus on taking advantage the JetForm with JetEngine, of course. And you're also gonna see how I'm using Memberium for the buttons in here. And of course, how I built this download PDF button. So I'll see you in the next videos. And yep, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.